God with this year 2025. I'm Jeanette, and throughout this past year, I have been truly blessed because I came to know the Lord more deeply. And in the year 2025, my relationship with my family and the people around me grew closer, and I clearly saw who God is in my life. And I also became more useful in serving the Lord and blessing the people around me.
Hi, I'm Cheska, and I thank God for 2025 sa salvation na ibinigay niya sa akin. Pangalawa, sa healing and blessings na natatanggap namin. Pangatlo, unti-unti nakikita ko na okay na yung relationship sa family ko. Still on the progress, still on the process, but I see the progress. And pang-apat, sa buhay ng mga mahal ko.
Hi, I'm Margaret. This year 2025 was far from easy for me. I went through moments where I lost my motivation, felt deeply isolated, and struggled with my mental health. Yet, despite everything, I passed my exam. I went to church with my parents, showed up for myself and to others, and definitely survived.
Hi, I'm Chin, and my biggest achievement this year is completing my first semester without any failing grades, and I'm with honors. And also, do things I never imagined I could do. And I'm grateful for the people around me, and after everything I've been through, I choose God again. And I'm thankful to He still be alive.
Hi, I'm Dara, and I'm grateful to God for my ministry, for using me as a tambourine dancer and an usher. I grow closer to the Lord through this ministry. I achieved my goal weight, and by God's grace, this is my first time to I honors in school.
Hello, I'm Alexa, and I'm grateful to God because I survived, and through this life, I get closer to the Lord, and by the grace of God, I become more stronger.
During challenge and trials.
Hi, ako nga po si Gia. Ako po sa 2025 ay karangalan ng pagbabalbol at kaya kahit hindi naman pa nagsisimba mga product kaya ako nag-video. Hi, I'm Gwen. Ang aking pinasasalamatan sa ating Panginoon isa na dito yung hindi niya ako pinabayaan na lang natin yung gawin ako. Alam ko maraming pagsubok akong pinagdaanan pero hindi mo kayo magpapakita. Kundi yung pinakakasapilan at nagpupahan para nagpapakita.
I'm Helen, and I'm thankful to God this year for so much grace and blessing, favor and faithfulness. For my child, for my family, my church family, for my youth, for answering my prayers, work from home. Thank you, Lord, for all that you have done, and I'm excited for this year of your miracles and for the things that you will do in our lives. Thank you. Okay, year of faith. Sa akin is year of trust and surrender. Sa akin is year of victory. Sa akin is year of love and compassion. Sa akin ay year of miracles and wonders. Sa akin is year of humility. Sa akin ay year of peace. Sa akin year of restore. Sa akin year of life. than our